Welcome, food enthusiasts! Today we're on an exciting culinary journey to explore the top 5 foods to try in Andorra. Nestled in the heart of the Pyrenees, this tiny nation boasts a unique cuisine, a delightful fusion of French and Spanish influences. From hearty stews to delicate pastries, Andorran food is a gastronomic adventure waiting to be discovered. So without further ado, let's delve into the mouth-watering world of Andorran cuisine. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Escudella. This traditional Andorran stew is a potpourri of flavors, boasting a hearty mix of chicken, veal and pork. The addition of pasta shells, rice and vegetables like potatoes and cabbage give this dish its unique, robust taste. The secret, though, lies in the slow cooking process, which allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich, comforting broth. This hearty stew is a must-try for anyone visiting Andorra. Next, at number 4, we have Trinxat. This delightful and straightforward dish is a staple in Andorra, particularly during the chillier months. It's made with the heartiest of ingredients, potatoes, cabbage and bacon, all cooked together until they meld into a warming, satisfying meal that's more than the sum of its parts. It's rustic, it's homey, and it's absolutely delicious. Trinxat is the embodiment of comfort food, and it perfectly represents the heart of Andorran cuisine. At number 3, we introduce you to Andorran charcuterie. The world of Andorran cold cuts and sausages is as diverse as it is delicious. From the delicately smoked longanisa to the robust flavor-packed botifarra, each piece is testimony to the rich culinary heritage of this small mountainous nation. Using locally sourced ingredients and steadfastly adhering to traditional preparation methods, Andorran charcuterie offers an authentic taste of the Pyrenees. Remember, a slice of Andorran charcuterie is a slice of Andorran tradition. Number 2 on our list is a sweet treat cook. This traditional Andorran pastry is a delightful mix of sweetness and crunch. Coque comes in numerous variations, each more delectable than the last. Some are filled with fruits and nuts, while others are simply dusted with sugar. But what makes coque truly special is its significance in Andorran celebrations. It's the pastry of choice for weddings, birthdays and festivals. One could say a bite of coques is a bite of Andorran festivity. Finally, at number 1, we have the famous cargols. This dish, unique to Andorra, is a true gastronomic delight, featuring snails as the star ingredient. The preparation involves slow cooking the snails with a medley of herbs and spices, resulting in a dish that is both rich and savory. It's a flavor experience like no other, combining earthy notes with a hint of spice. Cargols is a testament to Andorra's culinary prowess and creativity. Cargols, a truly unique Andorran delicacy that you absolutely must try. Before we end our culinary journey, we have a bonus for you. Ever wanted to try your hand at creating a taste of Andorra in your own kitchen? Let's delve into a simple recipe for the delectable Trinxat.